Take a look at what happened. Take a look at what happened. And then the worst president in the history of our country took over. And look what happened to our country. Probably 20 million people. And you know, that's a little bit old, that chart. That chart's a couple of months old. And if you want to really see something that's said, take a look at what happened.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ವೀಕ್ಷಕರೇ, ನೀವಿನ್ನು ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನೆಲ್ನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಕೂಡಲೇ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹಿಸಿ.